Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good and safe. So welcome to the new episode of Power BI. Today we will learn about how to use the use relationship function in Power BI. So what does actually use relationship mean? So whenever we want to use the relationship from the other dimension. So suppose in our relationship model relationship we have created the relationship of date table from with date and order date. Just a minute. See, I just hover it on the arrow, and it is showing the relationship between date and order date from the transaction table. So here when we suppose want to have total sales, so whenever we create the table showing the total sale, it will pull the data as per the order date. So when if we want to know the total sale as per ship date, so in that case we need to create a inactive relationship between the date and the ship date, which will be the secondary relationship. So to create the secondary relationship, we will simply drag the date to ship date. So now it has created the inactive relationship, which is in dotted arrow. So how we can get the data into the visualization? So let's have a table inserted. So let us drag the date from date table. I hope you guys remember, if you have seen my previous video, we have created the date table separately. So from here we will drag this date dimension table and click on the actual date. Now from the transaction table, let's have total sale. So this total sale is actually giving the value of the order date. We also want to know what is the value, or what is the sales for the dates available as per the ship date. So for that we will create a new measure. So click on new measure. Let us name it as sale by ship date. So we need to calculate total sales. So we want total sales, and then filter, in filter function we will use the use relationship, because we have just made the secondary relationship between date and ship date. So we want to use the relationship from transaction table, and what filter we want ship date. And in the second column we will use the date dimension table, because relationship is built between the date table and the transaction table. So date from date dimension table, and close. Now we have the new measure created, sale by ship date. So we will simply drag this to the value, and you see both are giving the same value, but in the 2015 date of Jan Feb, sorry, 1st or 2nd Jan, there is no value, because this value is as per ship date and this value is as per order date. So first row is blank. So you guys must be wondering why it is blank, because the date available in the ship date might not be available in the date table dimension which we created. So date table dimension which we created was actually created with the minimum and maximum of order date. That is why it is showing the blank row. So this is how we use the use relationship function. I hope you guys understood. Let me know in the comment. So I will also provide the link for Excel sheet. So happy learning and be safe. Thank you.